Most people think that when you reach the age of 70, well, that's time for the exit ramp. I'm here to tell you today that that is nothing more than a complete load of bullshit. So let me go back in time to when my story started. It's only 3 years ago. 68 years old, sitting in Australia. I believed I had to work till I was 80 and drop dead. That was my life. So I put all the discipline, all the determination, and all the belief I had into achieving that. And then, out of the blue, a door cracked open. And there was a glimmer of light. And I could smell it, that I had a chance to retire in Thailand. And just like that, I changed all my attitude towards retiring and relocating in Thailand. I remember going in, looking in the mirror and telling myself, Jack, you can do this, mate. This is your chance to go out and start a new life. And that's exactly what I did the moment my feet landed in Thailand. But let me explain. I'm going on to 71 years old, and people say in their mind, oh, I feel 25. Well, I don't feel 25. I feel 40 years old. My mind hasn't changed through then. And why hasn't it changed? At 40 years old, you realise and appreciate age. There's some things that you just can't do anymore. And as time goes on, there's going to be more things you can't do. But the thing was, I already had a mindset that in age, slowly, there's things that you're not going to do. Don't fight it. Just worry about the things you can do. And so here I sit in Thailand, on my way to 71, and there's nothing that I won't have a go at. Now, it's every second day, I have my routine. I'll get up, grab my weights, and I'll go off on my farmer's walk, about a 3K farmer's walk. Then I'll come back and do some exercises. Usually my mate Max is around my feet somewhere. But the main point is, of what I'm trying to say, I will give 150% to all the things that I can do. And I know in 6 months' time, there might be something else that I can't do. So I'll modify, but I'll keep pushing everything 100% in what I do. Because I'm 70 years old, doesn't mean that my whole life has got to end now. And if you're 70 years old, you've got to take the same approach too. Don't think that your life is finished. Don't listen to what people say, and don't let people say to you, oh, don't do that, Jack, you know, because you're 70 now. I will do things that I know I'm capable of doing. I'm not going to be stupid. I'm going to make sure they're things that I can do. And then I look at the life that I created. At 70 years old, honestly, my life is more fuller now than it was when I was 60 years old. I mean, I get up, I exercise every second day. I do a few chores around the house. And then I started a YouTube channel. And not only do I do videos, I'll do shorts. And now I'm doing live videos. So I'm spending hours dedicated to YouTube. And then on top of that, I'm teaching English in a secondary school. I'm teaching English in a primary school. And then my mate Max, he really was the turning point of everything, because he gave me back one thing I was hungry for, to be needed again, to be wanted. I look at him, long as there's some water, long as there's a bit of food to eat, you play with him, give him a pat, his life's paradise. It's the simple things in life. If there's one thing that Max reinforced in me, was the simple things in life. And I can tell you at 70 years old, I don't worry about bullshit anymore. I remember there was years in my life, I used to worry about what people thought. And back then it was serious, like I didn't want to offend anyone, or I hope I didn't upset this person, because it's not important. So why am I wasting that energy even thinking about all that? I just don't do it anymore. And I tell you what, there's so many other things I just left behind. I've left it in Australia. I don't want it in Thailand because I'm building a new life here. And I tell you what, at 70, I feel like I've got more energy than what I did at 60. And you know the reason why? Because I've unburdened myself with all the crap I used to carry. I left that in Australia and I don't even think about it. Honestly, any person out there, 50, 60, 70, don't believe that your life is finished. Because I'm telling you now, and I preach about it all the time, you need to go and have a look at that person in the mirror because he will always be there for you. And if you give him a chance, I tell you what, he will turn your life around. There's no question about it. It's not just a statement. You've got to go in there and have a look and believe. You know, when I look in the mirror, sure, I see an old man. What do you think? I can think I see a 25-year-old man. I'm old now. I know that. But it doesn't mean I'm going to get down on my knees and just roll over and not live life anymore. There's plenty of life ahead of me. Even now, the one thing with Max, he's made me look into the future. I can't remember the last time I did that because I want to grow with him. I want to be the one that takes him on walks. I want to be by his side. I want to teach him things in life. You know, I never had this feeling before. And when did it all start? When I arrived here and I was 70 years old. And they're telling me, Jack, your life is finished. It is absolute crap. Your life is just beginning. You make your life what you want it to be. And sure, I think into the future and the exercise routine I do now, maybe I can't do a farmer's walk for 3K anymore. Then I'll make it 2K. And if I can't do 2K, I'll do 1K. And if I can't do 1K, I'll do half a K. And if I can't do any sets of exercises, I'll drop the weight off until it's just an empty barbell I'm lifting. If I'm going to stop and get down on my knees and do nothing, I'm going to live my life to the hilt. I am not going to waste a day. I'm not going to waste a second. I'm going to look at that man in the mirror and I'm looking at myself now and I'll never, ever let him down because why? He will never let me down in a million years. Anyway, take care, stay strong, keep life simple. If you keep it simple, you live with common sense. Like I said, look at that man in the mirror, make him your number one fan, make him the star of your movie, and get out there and really grab life and live a great, fantastic life. Take care, Jack.